Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to begin by choosing your path, premium or a browser-based workaround. Once decided, open YouTube and start the track you want playing. Make sure the phone's Do Not Disturb and battery saver won't stop background audio. Check settings and allow background activity for your app. You should hear audio immediately. If not, pause and resume. Next, lock the screen briefly to confirm audio continues. This step gets playback running, if you have YouTube Premium, press home after starting playback. The app continues audio in the background, simple. Once done, enable picture-in-picture in settings for persistent controls, or use split screen if your Android supports it. If you chose the browser route, open Chrome, request the desktop site, start the video, then exit the app. The audio should persist. Make sure notifications show media controls so you can pause or skip without reopening YouTube. To finish, verify media controls appear on your lock screen and notification shade so you can manage playback. Then, set battery optimization off for YouTube or your browser to prevent Android from killing the process. Make sure Bluetooth or other audio outputs are selected if needed. If playback stops unexpectedly, clear the app cache, reinstall YouTube, or reboot your device. This fixed most interruptions for me. If problems persist, check for Android updates and try switching to Premium for the most reliable background audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.